Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase ad performance with Facebook ads, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase ad performance with Facebook ads, start by defining your campaign objective. Choose between objectives like brand awareness, traffic, or conversions. Next, identify your target audience. Utilize Facebook's detailed targeting options to refine demographics, interests, and behaviors. Set a reasonable budget for your campaign. Consider testing different budget levels to determine what works best. Create compelling ad content that captures attention. Use high-quality images or videos that are relevant to your message. Craft a clear and engaging copy that speaks to your target audience. Incorporate a strong call to action to encourage user engagement. Choose the appropriate ad format for your campaign. Options include carousel ads, single image ads, or video ads, based on your goals. Set up A/B testing to compare different ad variations. Monitor the performance of each ad closely. Use Facebook Ads Manager to track key metrics like click-through rates and conversion rates. Based on the data, make adjustments to your targeting, creative, or budget. Consider retargeting engaged audiences to improve conversion rates. Regularly refresh your ad creatives to avoid ad fatigue. Stay updated on Facebook's advertising policies to ensure compliance. After analyzing results, optimize the campaign continuously for better performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.